Welcome back. As we all understand, the human body gradually becomes weak over time, and growing old is often associated with a decline in health, weakness, and diseases. If a part of the body is damaged for certain reasons, it is often considered permanently damaged, which is actually a misconception. The fact is that your body is continuously working to repair and maintain its health. This is a natural process that is not visible to the average person. During this process, old or damaged cells are removed and replaced with new cells. Weak and damaged parts are repaired, and all systems in your body are strengthened and nurtured. Your skin sheds its old layer almost every month to achieve new shine and freshness. The inner lining of your digestive system is renewed within a few days, which is crucial for healthy digestion and proper nutrient absorption. Your red blood cells are regularly renewed every few months, and your bones and skeleton are continuously strengthened through renewal and repair process. Your heart and brain are also constantly undergoing repair and regenerating new neurons and cells. Your immune system continuously fights old or damaged cells as well as germs while producing new cells and antibodies, which protect you from many types of diseases. All of this takes place within your body, and when you ensure proper nutrition, such as vegetables, fruits, healthy proteins, water, and natural items, all with exercise, adequate sleep, and stress reduction, this natural repair process speeds up, keeping your body healthy. When people feel more tired, experience brain fog, have inflammation in their bodies, or feel weak, they often think their body has stopped functioning. However, the main reason is actually that their body is not receiving the necessary nutrients to allow the repair process to function properly. According to science, there are a number of common but highly valuable foods that support this natural repair system. These foods are inexpensive, easy to find, and have been proven through extensive research. Unfortunately, many people lack an understanding of their importance or sometimes misuse their benefits. So, without further delay, let us explore the complete details of these foods that can help you stay youthful. Number one, eggs. The first superfood that many older adults often consider harmful to health is eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of nourishment for body repair and are frequently used as a reference food because of their nutritional composition. This means other proteins are often compared to eggs. Since protein is a fundamental component of body repair, the proteins present in eggs are essential for muscles, organs, enzymes, hormones, and immune cells in the body, and they replace old or damaged proteins with new ones every day. Research has shown that insufficient protein intake slows tissue repair, particularly as age increases, making protein even more crucial. Eggs contain all nine essential amino acids, which the body can effectively utilize, making their protein highly beneficial and easily absorbable. Many people only consume egg whites, which reduces the nutritional value by nearly half. The egg yolk contains vitamin A, D, E, and vitamin B12, along with choline, which benefit almost the entire body. The choline in eggs is crucial for brain cells, memory, learning, and liver health. Lack of choline in the body can lead to fatty liver, cognitive decline, and issues in the nerve signal transmission. Eggs are one of the best natural source of choline, and studies show that they are highly beneficial for brain and liver health. Eggs are often misunderstood because older studies suggested that eggs increase cholesterol levels and lead to heart diseases. However, modern research, including reviews from the Journal of the American Medical Association, concludes that eating eggs does not increase the risk of heart disease in healthy individuals. The body produces cholesterol on its own to maintain essential functions like hormones, cell membrane, and vitamin D. When we consume dietary cholesterol, the liver adjusts its production accordingly, which means eggs do not block arteries. On the contrary, they provide essential nutrients necessary for body repair and regulation. Therefore, older adults should definitely include eggs in their diet. Number two, bananas. Another extraordinary superfood is bananas, which strongly supports your nervous system, muscles, and energy while being an incredible source of natural potassium. However, people often overlook their importance or regard them as just an ordinary fruit. In fact, the potassium from bananas is a fundamental mineral for the body, essential for muscle contractions, nerve signal transmission, maintaining a regular heartbeat, and sustaining body fluid balance. Without sufficient potassium, the body may experience muscle cramps, fatigue, weakness, and irregular heartbeats. According to the CDC, many adults fail to meet their daily potassium needs, which has become a significant issue. Bananas are an easy and natural source that provides stress free and sustainable energy for the body. The carbohydrates contained in bananas are easily transformed by the body into instant energy. However, when eaten alone, bananas can sometimes raise blood sugar levels, but when consumed with protein or fat, they help maintain stable energy levels. This combination is excellent for morning strength, muscle recovery after exercise, and preventing energy slumps throughout the day. If you have issues with high blood sugar, you can opt for bananas that are not overly ripe. Additionally, bananas are an amazing source of prebiotic fiber, which feed the good bacteria in your gut. These gut bacteria strengthen your digestive system, enhance mineral absorption, and support overall gut health. A strong and healthy gut not only aids digestion but also boosts the body's repair and regeneration system, renewing cells and tissues. Bananas help the body recover from daily physical and mental stress. By including bananas in your daily diet, you can naturally maintain your muscles, nerves, and energy levels while also improving digestion and your gut microbiome. It is something small and natural, yet it profoundly impacts the whole body. Number three, Greek yogurt and kefir. Greek yogurt and kefir are superfoods that strengthen and improve your digestive system and intestinal lining. While eggs provide fundamental protein for the body, yogurt and kefir help the body use their protein correctly. These fermented foods help maintain the health of your gut microbiome, which contains trillions of tiny microorganisms that, when combined, weigh almost as much as your brain. Research suggests that the gut microbiome controls your immune system, inflammation, proper nutrient absorption, and brain signaling, with 70% of your immune system located in the gut. If the gut becomes imbalanced, you might experience brain fog, fatigue, digestive issues, inflammation, and a weakened immune system. Greek yogurt and kefir contain probiotics, which are healthy and good bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. These probiotics strengthen the intestinal lining, help better digest the food we eat, and reduce inflammation. This is crucial because excessive inflammation can slow the body's repair processes. The combination of protein and probiotics delivers a dual benefit, strengthening muscles and tissues. Greek yogurt is rich in protein, particularly casein, which digests slowly to help maintain and repair muscles. This is especially beneficial for the elderly, critically ill individuals, or those recovering from surgery. Always choose natural, unsweetened yogurt or kefir, as sweetened or flavored varieties can disrupt the balance of the gut bacteria. A healthy gut not only improves digestion but also enhances overall health, strength, and recovery. Let's discuss how these three natural superfoods, eggs, Greek yogurt, and kefir, and bananas, work together to support your body and health effectively. Eggs provide the essential protein necessary for repairing muscles, organs, fat tissues, and cells. Greek yogurt and kefir help the body properly absorb nutrients and regulate the immune system while also strengthening digestion and your gut microbiome. Consequently, inflammation in the body is reduced, digestion is enhanced, and maximum benefits from minerals and nutrients are realized. Meanwhile, bananas support nerve function, muscles, and energy balance, providing stress-free energy for the body. Due to their potassium content, bananas are excellent for muscle and heart health, as well as maintaining the body's electrolyte and fluid balance. When these three superfoods are combined, they create a powerful formula for the body to accelerate tissue repair, reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and maintain stable and balanced energy levels. This is not a fleeting diet trend. It is a genuine, natural, and science-based nutritional support that demonstrates how the human body truly works to repair itself and gains renewed strength daily. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.